Enjoy discovering the exciting world of past lives with this online past life regression course from Gateway Workshops. This online course will teach you everything you need to start your journey, learning how to access past lives via carefully created practical exercises. These techniques will provide you with the skills and knowledge to use past lives to free clients from negative thoughts and worries in this life. You'll receive a fantastic manual and access to high-quality video clips online, making this course easy to learn at your own pace from the comfort of your own home. You'll have an expert tutor on hand to give you all the guidance you need to complete your course, and on successful completion, you'll receive a diploma certificate that is accredited and professionally recognized. Join the thousands of students who chose to train with an award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. Gain the skills, knowledge, and confidence you need to get started in becoming a past life regression practitioner with Gateway Workshops. Sign up today.